Hello everyone, my name is Manjunath Renke. I'm basically from Karnataka, district Dharwad. Last year I came to Pune last year. I joined Q Spiders in May only. I completed my software testing course and I got well teaching here and I learned manual testing and manual testing from Abhishek sir and Shubham sir, and I learned which one Java from Darshan sir. The three of are very good. I love the way Abhishek sir convincing the topic and how they enhance the topics and all. I love the attitude also. In Q Spiders, they conduct grooming and presentations and all. It is very useful for us only because starting in my course starting only, I don't have any guts to speak in front of 5 to 10 people. But now I can speak with anyone. Due to my presentations only, it will very useful.